Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to inspect a URL. Now, in the company that you are working at or in your own business where you have a client, as for example, you are running a agency and that person wants you to check if their URL or the web page or website is working fine. Now, all you have to do is you have to go in the Google search console, and as we have earlier talked about it, how to set it up. And once it has been set up, this is how the dashboard would look like, will with various key elements present on the left side of the navigation bar. And that's where you get access to the tool, where you get a chance to inspect a particular URL. Now, customer or client or your boss tells you that check if this URL of my website is working fine. So you go ahead and click on this URL inspection. Now, a disclaimer here, the usability of Google Search Console has been same for many years, but the design that you look over here could change. But concept should be kept in mind because we are worried about the functionality and not the design of this platform. So look for this URL inspection tool. When you click on it, it will ask you to put a URL, and I'm going to go here and I'll paste a URL. Then all I have to do is enter, and once I do that, it's going to give me an indication what all is going on. Now, when the results are brought in, you will see that URL is on Google, which means that page has been crawled, it has been indexed, and page can be usable on mobile, which means any customers or my audience or people who are trying to access my website, they can see my website and access the features on their mobile phone, which is nowadays a great uh, feature to have for our website. And once you have these results, you can show these results, you can print out these and show it to your clients or your boss that you inspected the URL, you checked the website, and the functionality looks good since people can access or search it on Google, and page has been indexed and it is mobile usable. Now, when we talk about indexing, consider a library where a new books comes in. Now, unless that book is in the catalog of the library, nobody can access it, because let's assume the name of the book is Monday Morning. Now, the librarian is going to index that book, which means it's going to add the name of the book into the catalog of the library, and then it's going to put it in cabinet or in a shelf where all the titles that start from M are located. And in that way, people who are looking for that particular book can find out where exactly this book is located in the vast building of library. So that's what indexing is. Google will be able to index these pages only if they find uh, there is relevant content on it. Now, we have earlier talked about that bots and spiders of Google play this role. They enter the website or web page and they crawl it, and once Google know the kind of content that is available on website, they are going to index it and make sure that it is available to the people who are looking for that kind of content in the future. So this is how the indexing goes, and this is how URL inspection works, that can be accessed through the dashboard of your Google Search Console account.